So it's carrying that back weight of the boat 3S LiPo battery. Oh, and the ground falls away. So there it is. This is my traction hobby. 1/8 scale Brabus Mercedes, obviously, with my tear into jet boat on the back that I just spray bombed with some green because I like the green color. Mounted up and made a mount for it on the back instead of a trailer because I thought a 6x6 in the snow, why not? This thing is a monster. It is nothing like the Traxxas Brabus itself. This is actually much larger, and plus the machine itself is just much different. But once a body is licensed, and basically any manufacturer, as long as they pay the licensing fee, can use it. But there it is, 1/8 scale. What do I even have here? Here is a full-size radio. This is the radio that comes with it. There you go. That's a normal pistol grip size radio. This machine is a monster. And I thought, hey, I could come out today to do a little bit of snow ripping with the jet boat in the water. But all of my creek, all of this is supposed to be water. Look at this. This is all ice. Crunch. So I'm thinking if we go trailing up this trail area with the 8 or the 6x6 8 scale, we might be able to find some pool of water up there somewhere to go jet boating around in. So let's get moving. Yeah, I thought there'd be tons of water out here today, but when the melt starts, there certainly will be. Everything's locked up, all the axles are locked. It's going to be a challenge because of the ice. It's going to drop the suspension down. I do have the suspension fully sprung right now, so it's carrying that back weight of the boat 3S LiPo battery. Oh, and the ground falls away. Opening up some area. Oh, can it handle the weight of the driver and the machine itself? No. What a beautiful day. I love large scale machines. Dun dun. Ooh, high centered. It's okay, look at that back axle there. Well, middle axle doing its job and the conforming of the tire. That's a bead lock there. Of course, the Brabus being the top level Mercedes off-road vehicle you can get. Well, that's arguable, I guess, but that's the goal of the company, I would assume. Okay, now we got a real obstacle here. How are we going to get through this with the boat? Do we muscle our way through? So nicely done. Oh yes. Okay, I'm stuck up against a branch. Let's reposition the camera. And this is a huge, huge waterfall normally. If we're even able to get up this, it'll be a miracle. Oh! We drop in on the ice. Biggest fear right there. Even if I try to power through it here. Oh yeah! Oh shit, come on man! I thought if we tried to power through that would be the end for sure. 8 scale for the win, look at this. Unbelievable. Come on baby, hook up on the front. Oh, yes, come on, we can do this. I don't even want to help it. Come on, get the leaves out of the way so that people can see here. Come on! Come on, baby, you can do this. Switch into my transmission mid-gear. That was a mistake on my side there. Can I get anything? I'm high-centered here. Camera in the way, getting you guys wet. Trying trying to get any traction. No, dang it. Sorry guys, don't want to let you down, but I could be there all day. There we go. You know what it's like. I want to keep on trailing. Like, I can't believe that boat is still hanging on there. I modified a different boat mount, basically. And I just made a couple of clips on the back so it hooked on. It's doing a great job on the trail. That's what I think. That's what I like about jet boats, right? Horizon has some cheap little jet boats right now. These old Tarantus, these are modified ones, but being a jet boat, they don't have a prop, so they can go in fairly shallow water without having to worry about getting wrecked. Little bit of a chasm right here. Gonna switch to low. Getting darker outside, but at this time of the year, for us, the days are starting to get longer. We've passed the longest winter day of the year. It just means that we get more sunlight from this point out. Now, which way to go? I could go up the stream, or let's go to the side rocky way here. Why not? You guys still watching right now? Are you on this RC adventure with me? Let me know in the comment section. I always love reading comments from you guys, letting me know what you RC'd with today, or what you liked about today's show, or any suggestions that you have for upcoming RC adventures. For all my regular viewers, I always really try to give you, of course, things that you want to see, best I can, of course. Everyone keeps asking me about the Axial SCX 6 at the time of this filming, but I've got so many large-scale RCs, guys. Plus, there's tons of media on the Axial already. I don't need to spend another $2,000. That's Canadian for me for that big machine. Look at this, man. Muscling through. I wonder if there is any water up ahead. It looks like we're gonna have to cross over here. Can I get the nose up on the other side? Ooh, I kind of figured that was gonna be a problem right there. Come on. Okay, we're in the water now. It's okay. As long as we can get that nose of the vehicle up, we can crawl out. Have you guys even looked at the Traction Hobby lineup, or are you guys looking at the larger scale crawlers? Have you already got an Axial SCX 6? And yes, I know it's enormous. You guys are probably wondering what creek I'm on. This is actually Bidotchka Creek, our creek. This is a new part of the property that we had purchased, but I'll tell you what, my pond that I thought would have tons of water in is actually just a tiny little puddle today because of all the snow and ice. Can you imagine we did all that to get up here? Now I'm gonna have to launch it off the back. I designed this so what I'd have to do is just back it up into the water, but I didn't think they'd be so little. It's all right. I'm not gonna let you guys down today. Doot, doot. That looks cold, hey? Okay, so the goal is just to back in and unhook it. Then it should start to float. 6x6, gonna lower itself down. Uh-oh, going in sideways, there we go. First time I've ever done this with this vehicle. It was really unstable because of the ice. That's what I'm gonna say is my excuse. And there. That's a good spot to launch it. Isn't it pretty? I guess the best thing to do would be to just drive forward or backwards and forwards. Let's try backwards and forwards. Launch the boat, damn you. I launched it. Oh, there we go. Not the smoothest boat launching I've ever had, that's for sure.
I launched it. Oh, there we go.
What, you mean I could use some practice? It lives. Yes. Okay, let's get the 6x6 out of here so we got a little bit more room. There we go. Well, this was totally worth driving all the way up here for this super small pond. Got a 3S LiPo in here. And we'll park it there for a moment. Maybe wait for the ice to melt so I can rip a little bit more. All right. What do you think of the yellow and the green? Yes, I could have done a better job with the paint, but I actually like the yellow and green paint job a lot. Yeah, I'm beginning to think 2-cell might have been ample. Hey, when you're an RC enthusiast and you're eager to go boating, you're eager to go boating. What can I say? Oh, I can hardly wait to set up a race with these things in the springtime down the creek. Should be pretty cool.